Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will introduce you with my newly published book entitled Introduction to Scala Programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Recently, my book entitled Introduction to Scala Programming is already published and distributed exclusively by Unlimited Books Library Services in Publishing Incorporated here in the Philippines. So basically, this book I will teach you on the fundamentals of Scala programming, like basic input-output commands, conditional statement, looping, strings, and arrays, among others. What is good about Scala is not only it is almost identical with Java programming language, but also it is a functional language. So there are so many applications right now that uses Scala. I hope that you will support my newly published book that is being marketed and exclusively distributed by Unlimited Books Library Services in Publishing. I will put here is the link of my book in the website of Unlimited Books PH. That will be https www.unlimitedbooksph.com/product-page Introduction to Scala Programming. I will put also a link in the video description of this video so that you can visit the website of my publisher. The book is very affordable. It's only 875 pesos. There are so many programming problems and activities that are included in this book on Scala programming that is very beneficial to everyone that are new into the Scala programming language. So that's it. I hope that you try my book. It was designed for beginners, students, hobbyists, or anyone who wants to learn about Scala programming. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.